How to fix Canva not saving on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Canva not saving on Android phone. First, open settings and then go to storage and then click clean up, and here just clean some space. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps, and now type here Canva, click on it, click storage, and then click clear cache, and then go to permissions, make sure permission storage is allowed, and that's it. Now just go back and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.